Hello. The daily positive news beautifully visualized by information is beautiful, March 27, 2020. Today's visualization is about phasing out HFCs will cut climate change by 0.5 degrees Celsius. The 1987 Montreal Protocol was a global agreement to protect the atmosphere from ozone-layer-destroying CFCs. But their chemical cousins, HFCs, are the new challenge. Their use has been soaring, particularly in India and China. An amendment to the protocol, agreed in 2016 in Kigali, Rwanda, puts a reduction plan in place for the next 20 years. They'll be phased out, replaced with safer alternatives, like hydrocarbons and ammonia. Better for the planet. Better for everyone. And a feat of international cooperation. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.